Hello everyone! In this video guide, we will show you how to use the Everstake website to track your Ethereum 2.0 stake. In case you didn't know, Ethereum 2.0 staking was launched in December 2020, and there are several thousand Ethers on the contract balance at the moment. If you want to track all your staking statistics conveniently, the only thing you have to do is to go to Everstake official website, find Ethereum 2.0 in the list of coins, click on More Info button, then Add Address to Dashboard button, and fill in the special field with your contract validator address. And finally, you need to confirm it by pressing Add button. And that's all. You don't need any registrations, any accounts, just write your contract address and then you may see your balance, reward for staking, amount of validators reward, and so on. Additionally, in prospects, Everstake will also have an opportunity to earn from Ethereum 2.0 staking, because Everstake is one of the largest staking providers in the world, trusted by over 50,000 stakers, and has accepted more than $1 billion in digital assets as a stake. In a little while, the stakers number will be even higher because Ethereum is the second most popular cryptocurrency in the world. And if you can earn up to 21% annually, then surely many people will be interested in staking. And remember that staking is easier and safer with Everstake provider.